Are you filming now? Right now?
It's right above me.
Well, actually, let me tell the whole story. He goes, we're not hiring anybody, but give Purdy-Mcguire a call. So I had an offer from Purdy-Mcguire and from Burr Engineers in Austin and North Star Fire Protection, also here, and Cook and Hawley in Houston. Talked to my parents about it. They said, you're crazy. That Judd guy really liked you, so you need to give him a call. And I'll be looking this way and this way. And then when I should do like this, we'll tell you. Perfect. Perfect. You need a more comfortable chair. In the way of like an interrogation. I think you're gonna run out of film. Boy, that's not film. Perfect. You probably want to close the door. Raise your chair a little. I don't know if I'll remember everything. My first job was the EDS kitchen for Ross Burrows Sr. He was developing the EDS campus before he sold it to General Motors. And so my first project was doing the plumbing design for that kitchen. And what's ironic about that, when we did Denbury Resources recently, we gutted that kitchen that I had designed and put in office space. You guys kind of, the executives kind of had their own area. I didn't realize there was even a separate break room until we were making margaritas one night. Save all this for future generations. I talked with Roland, I got the email. That's going to be tough. How, like in one sentence or two? I think to summarize it, it's been a great opportunity to design a lot of projects in the city, make a lot of impact. But what's been more fun is just all of the personalities that I've been able to work with, whether it's in the office or around the office. Get to walk in, develop brand new relationships, get to build great projects together. So that's what's exciting to me. That's arrogant. That probably was sending on his way. Let's come back. I think about classic. Ever since I was a little kid, I was wired for capitalism. I always wanted to be president of something by the age of 35. You mean crazy? I think the weirdest one was probably we had an electrical engineer that we hired contract. We decided it just wasn't going to work out, messing up, so we parted ways. And he sat in the parking lot that night wouldn't leave, and facing back to the building. So that's probably the craziest and most unstable. Probably the longest. The one I learned the most from was Judd. I could go on forever about him. I mean, I probably wouldn't be where I am today if I hadn't had the opportunity of working with him. Let me first tell Judd's most embarrassing moment. And he said, Jim used to be rich, but he's not anymore. And he glanced over and Mr. Purdy was standing in his doorway and heard the whole conversation. And Jim goes, oh, hello, Jim. Best memories from the last 30 years was me and my wife first. And that night, Simon, he goes, you gotta go check out the girl on 8. Really? Okay. And it actually worked out where Ken used to go down and check some shop drawings. He said, can you do that? I said, yes. I said, what's a shop drawing? Cut. Most embarrassing